Hi, my name is Jennifer Shin. I'm the founder and principal consultant of 8path Solutions LLC, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to create rays in GIMP. You want to start out by creating a new image and then using the bucket feature to fill the space in black. Then you want to go into Filters, Distort, Blinds, and choose Displacement equal to 45 and the number of segments to 10. Now you can choose any number of segments based on how many rays you want in your image, but 10 is a good number to start with. You also want to make sure that you click off vertical as the orientation of these blinds. Next, you want to go to Filters, Distorts, Polar Coordinates, and select 0 for circle depth and 0 for offset angle. And you're done.